the story. Oh, a rabbit. Stop! It's a magic wand. Inside. Yay, birthday! Right. Wow! Yes! Abracadabra! Kids, thank you. Very excited. Yay! Uh-oh! Yes. What happened? Hello, my fellow teachers. Abracadabra, let's start. Oh! Do you want to turn your ESL lesson into a magical experience for your young learners? If you do, jump in with me. Today I'm going to present a magical story, a magical picture book, and I'll also let you know what you can do afterwards to fill up a full 60 minutes and have a magical experience for your young ESL learners. Let's start. Abracadabra, start. Oh! Okay, let's start. And before I start, I want to let you know about this little magic wand I'm holding. So this is a magic wand created by one of my amazing students. Yes, it's really beautiful. And I asked her if I could just keep it, and she said, okay. So thank you very much, Julia. That is really nice. Okay, so Magician's Day. So now I would like to present a magical story to you. And it's been student tested. And I can tell you this, the students were really in love with the story. They were extremely engaged and really wanted to participate. So, but before we dug into the story, I introduced the vocabulary for them to make sure that it's still like a ESL lesson, right? Okay, Magician's Day. So, yes, what I like to introduce and present in my stories as well is sound. I don't have them in all of the stories, but I was like, okay, if it's a magical story, we need to have some magical sounds as well. Okay, welcome. Today we will become magicians. Let's make magic wands, magician hats, and learn some magic words. And obviously, let's read a story because today's video is all about a story. It's just this PPT is part of a full lesson plan, okay? But today I'm just going to present a story. Okay, look at this picture. What is it? What is it? It's a magic wand. It's a magic wand. Say with me, it's a magic wand. It's a magic wand. That's right. Look at this picture. What is it? It's a magician's hat. Say with me, it's a magician's hat. It's a magician's hat. And this is the last one, okay, because for young learners, I don't really want to put too much pressure on them. That's one. And second, I need to make it dynamic because they're just going to get bored. Look at this picture. Who is inside the magician's hat? So we have a magician's hat here. And who is inside the magician's hat? A rabbit. Yes. Okay, say with me. A rabbit is inside a magician's hat. Give me 5. That was really good. So now a little recap. I like to do a little recap. So what are these? I will point and you will say after me. It's a magic wand. It's a magic wand. It's a magic wand. It's a magician's hat. It's a magician's hat. It's a magician's hat. It's a rabbit inside a magician's hat. Yay! Give me 5. That was really good. Okay, amazing. And now we're going to have a song, but obviously today I'm not going to play a song for you. But if you're going to be interested in what song this was, you can let us know in the comments down below. Okay, click on the magic wand to listen to a song. As I said, this is part of a lesson plan. So right now I'm not going to present this, but we're going to jump straight into the story. We also have workshops connected to the magician's theme, okay? So kids make some different things like abracadabra. Today we'll make an edible magic wand. So kids created edible magic wand, one that they could actually eat. And it was really yummy, I can tell you this. So then we have like a little list of ingredients, what we're gonna use. We're gonna use flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, butter, and water. And then we have like all the slides, like what they have to do. So these are the instructions for the teacher, so they know what to have to follow, because all of the things are on the table. The cocoa is on the table, the flour is on the table. So the teacher, like, this is a great teacher's help. Like, teacher just knows what to do. What's the steps to follow? Exactly, right? They don't have to think about it. They just like, oh, mix all the ingredients well. They also have sentences, like what sentence they're supposed to say, not like figuring out how am I supposed to say this? How can I simplify this? Because right now I'm at this point in my journey where I'm not only a teacher, but I also run my own school. So I have my own teachers at the same time. And what I noticed, for example, is that like for natives, what is sometimes difficult is to use the simplified version of words and simplified version of sentences. Sometimes they would use these big words, which I'm a big fan of, obviously. Anyways, I love natural speech, but sometimes with instructions, you just have to be a bit more specific and it has to be easier. And sometimes they would just like struggle with finding the right type of words and right type of sentences. So this actually helps a lot. And this is student tested and it actually works and they understand what we're saying. Okay, so they do this, la da da da. So this is all this, that is. Okay, and then we have a story. Okay, so as you can see, this lesson plan is like, spread. So first we introduce the vocab, then we have a little song, then we do workshops. It's something very hands-on that students follow, they listen. It's a listening experience. It's a talking experience as well, because they will have to ask things, da 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 da. And then we jump to story time. Okay, and this is all 60 minutes. Lily's magic present. So this is the story. Yes. Okay, Lily's magic present. So who is this? This is Lily. That's right. This is Lily. And Lily is holding a box. It looks like a present, right? Okay. It was Lily's birthday. And she was very excited. Yay, birthday! Excited. Hi, my name is Lily. And it's my birthday today. Say happy birthday to Lily, okay? Everybody? Happy birthday, Lily. Maybe let's sing a song to Lily, right? Happy birthday. Let's go. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Yay! It's Lily's birthday today. Wow. She's gonna get a present, right? Woo! Lily got a present from Mommy and Daddy. Yes. Oh! Thank you, Mom! Thank you, Dad! What do you think is inside the box? What do you think is inside the box? What do you think? Now that's a moment for them to try and guess, like da-da-da-da. When I was asking my students, because they knew it was Magician's Day, I mean, of course, there were some students who would say chocolates or toys and stuff like that, but some of them actually said like, oh, Magician's hat, yeah. And I was like, oh, let's see. Lily opened the box and inside was, wow, a magic wand and a magician's hat. I have to try it. She looks very excited. Lily waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra Rabito! Oh, wow! A fluffy white rabbit appeared in her hat. In Lily's hat. Whoa, look! That's such a cute rabbit. Hello, my name is Benny. Oh, it's Benny the rabbit. Lily was surprised. What? Lily was surprised. Wow, you can talk! That's amazing! Yes, the rabbit can talk. Yes, I can talk. Your name is Lily, right? Yes, that's right. My name is Lily. Lily, do you have any food? I am very hungry. Looks like the rabbit is hungry. I think I can help. Let's use some magic. Let's use the magic wand. As you can see, what's really important on this page is to make sure that the voice of the rabbit and the voice of Lily are completely different. So kids can actually tell the verses apart so they know who's saying what. Lily waved the magic wand. So we have repetitive language here, okay? Lily waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra, carrot-o! And also, I use like very simple magic spells. Abracadabra, and whatever thing you want, you just say the word and then add O at the end. So it makes it very, very easy. And at the end of the class, my students would actually do this like abracadabra, table O, or abracadabra, buy O. And they would just like use that. And that was really, really amazing. And I loved it a lot. A crunchy orange carrot appeared in Lily's hat. Once again, we have repetitive language. There's going to be like, she waves the magic wand, and then something appears in her hat. So this is a difficult word. It's a difficult word for starter, but I don't worry about it. Sometimes I do add like a bit more difficult words, and it is okay. I feel like they actually get the overall meaning of that. So it's okay. We are just giving them enough exposure to difficult vocabs as well. Benny took the carrot and started to eat it. This is the best carrot ever. Thank you, Lily. Yes, so Benny is eating the carrot. Yes, and Benny is enjoying the carrot. Benny likes carrots. Do you like carrots? You can ask your students if they like carrots. Lily laughed. I'm so glad you like it. Let's try more magic. Let's go. That's a moment you want to speed this up a bit. Lily waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra balloon! A shiny red balloon appeared in her hat. Woo, we have a balloon. Benny clapped his paws. Clap, 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 clap. Everybody, let's clap like Benny. Whoa, yeah, everybody clap. Let's clap together. Okay, good. This is so much fun. Can I try the wand? Looks like Benny wants to try the wand. Yes, of course. Yeah, so Lily is fine with that. So Benny will do some magic now. Okay, something is wrong. Can you hear the sound? It's very windy. I'm scared. Lily gave Benny the wand. Benny waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra cake-o! Muffin-o! Chocolate-o! Crisps-o! Jelly-o! Lollipop-o! Hamburger-o! Cheese-o! Chicken-o! Oh my goodness. Also, just a little note. When I was doing this, I actually asked each and every single person in my class to grab a magic wand. So they would actually have to say this. So like, let's say student number 1 took the magic wand and said, abracadabra cake-o. And then they would pass the magic wand to another person and they would say, abracadabra muffin-o. So they would be like very, very engaged with that. And they really, really enjoyed making the magic spells. No, Lily is really unhappy. She's, Benny, no, stop. She doesn't like it. But Benny would not stop. So once again, I would give the magic wand to the students, right? No, Lily, I am very hungry. Abracadabra, strawberry-o, apple-o, fish-o, chips-o, banana-o, salami-o, sausage-o. That's a good moment. A moment of surprise, like what's happening? What? And it was really funny because when I was doing these lessons, it was dark outside. So we had lights on. So what I did when we were on this particular slide, I actually switched off the lights. So I switched off the lights. I was like, what happened? Who turned off the lights? What happened? Who turned off the lights? Look how much there's like context. They're learning through context here, right? It's amazing. I really love that. I really love like hands-on experiences. I think it's the wand. The wand. What can we do now? What can we do now? They don't know. I know. Kids, can you help us? Oh, this is the moment, right? So it's the kids who come to the rescue. Kids can help Benny and Lily get back from whatever they are at the moment. It's like it's dark. Where are they now? Are they in Lily's house now? Or maybe they're in some different place. Kids, come on, you have to say, abracadabra, wand, stop. Oh, okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra, magic wand, stop. Oh, and all the students are saying this. And then what? Wow, it worked. Thank you, kids. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's light again. So now I would go and switch on the lights, okay? It actually made a lot of sense. Thank you, kids. Thank you. So she's very thankful, but like, look at this. Oh no. But look at all this mess. We have to clean this up. We have to clean this up. Yeah, they have to clean this up. Let's use the magic wand. Benny wants to use the magic wand. Do you think it's a good idea? No, Benny, no. No, Benny, no. What a great idea. But I will use the magic wand. Not you, Benny. Not you, Benny. No, Benny. Lily, I will use the magic wand, okay? Let's clean this mess. It's very messy. We need to clean this up. So I just added some stuff because I felt like maybe it needed an extra explanation. So don't be afraid to add your own stuff here as well. Just because there is text, you don't have to just rely on this text to explain whatever is happening. You can add on layers, okay? Okay, so Benny will not use the magic wand. Lily will use the magic wand, yeah? Lily waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra, cleano! And all the food disappeared. No food. Yay! It worked! All the food is gone! Yes. What's the matter, Benny? Why are you sad? Why? I'm hungry. Benny is hungry, right? Give me a moment, Benny. Just a moment. Looks like Lily wants to help. Lily waved the magic wand and said, Abracadabra, fruit-o! Some yummy fruit appeared in Lily's hat. Yeah, what do we have here? We have some grapes. We have a pear. We have a watermelon. We have some bananas. We have some cherries. I love watermelon. What about you? You can ask your students if they like these fruit, or maybe you can ask students what fruit they like, right? Okay. Benny took the fruit and started to eat them. These are the best fruit ever! Thank you, Lily! Thank you again, Lily! Lily was happy. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. But no more magic! No more magic today! Go back to the hat! And Benny disappeared in Lily's hat. See you next time! Bye! The end. And so this story is such an amazing story for young learners. Kids get to do some magic. Kids get to help in the magic. Kids cast spells. And I cannot tell you how much they loved this story. They really, really enjoyed it. So the full lesson itself, apart from the story, was really amazing. Introducing the vocab, singing a song, hands-on activity, and then having the story was like a full-blown magical experience, and students really loved it. And we had some videos from that lesson, and the parents were really, really happy as well. They really saw that it was a magical experience for their kids as well. So thank you very much for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to get a copy of that book, you can actually go to our TPT store. It's at an affordable price, and if you would like to get the full lesson plan, it's also available there. Until next time. My dear friends, happy teaching. Abracadabra, bye-o!